Hi everyone and welcome, my name is Mr. S and I'm a primary school teacher here to help with some of the tricky things in school. Now, worded problems are always one of the trickiest things in primary school. And that's just because the maths becomes more of a story and an English problem than it does the actual maths. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the bar model and how to use it to help crack some of those really tricky problems in year 5 and year 6. So let's get into it and start with our first question. Now, if you've seen my videos before, then you'll know that with worded problems, I like to underline whilst I read them so I can highlight the important parts. If you haven't seen my other videos before, then check them out because I put a link in the description below. So let's get going with question 1 here. Leo has some marbles. He gives 2/5 of them to his friend. So he gives those away. He has 15 marbles left. How many did he start with? Now, the fraction tells us everything we need to know about the bar. So I've got 2/5. So I need to divide my bar here into fifths. They should be of roughly equal size. And because I'm trying to work out what he started with, it's the total amount that I'm trying to work out here. I'm trying to work out what 5/5 would be, the whole amount. But as I know that 2/5 of them were given to his friend, I can highlight 2 of the 5 pieces. Now the problem says that he has 15 marbles left, so I know that these 3 pieces here are 15. So to find out what one of these is worth, I need to do 15 divided by 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do 15 divided by 3, which gives me 5. Now I know that each of these boxes are worth 5. So I can even fill in these ones here. Now I simply need to add all of those together. Well, I know that 5 fives gives me 25. So in total, I've got 25. So Leo here started with 25 marbles. Okay, now let's give another question a go. I've got question 2 here. Again, I'm going to start by reading the question and underlining the important bits. So let's do it. Sam and Maya, so I'm going to underline S and M, share. So they share £80. Maya gets 20 more than Sam. How much money does Sam get? Now this one here is a classic year 6 level SATs question. And we're going to use 2 bar models to try and work this out. I've got one labeled S and one labeled M. Yes, that's for Sam and Maya. Now I'm just going to move Maya's one across a little bit to give us a little bit more space so that I can add on, because I know that at the end Maya has got £20 more. And we also know that all of Sam's and Maya's together equals £80. So what is left if I temporarily take away the £20? Well, actually, it's going to be equal to £60. So now I know that this box here and this box here together equals £60. I'm just going to put a line through there so that we don't get confused. Now, considering I now know that both of these boxes are equal, which is very important, then all I need to do is I need to divide them by 2. So I'm going to divide 60 here by 2, and that will give me 30. So I know that Sam here has got 30, and Maya here has got 30 as well. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to double check that that makes sense. So if Maya has got £30 plus the 20 that she had at the beginning extra, because she had 20 more than Sam had, that gives me £50. I also know that Sam here has got £30. I'm going to do £50 from Maya, add Sam's 30, gives me £80. And that is exactly what it says at the beginning. And I can know that Sam's 30 is 20 less than 50. So I know that Maya definitely got £20 more. Now at the bottom here, I've left a challenge question for you to give a go as well. So I would like you to pause the video here, give this question a go, let me know in the comments below your answer, and always try and give this bar model a try, because it can help to really put those worded problems into a practical and visual way. Please like and subscribe the video if you found it helpful, and check out some more of my videos on my channel so that you can also learn other things from Key Stage 2 maths and also some English grammar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.